Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Clinical enzymology, application of enzymes in clinical diagnosis, Part 2. Serum enzymes in liver diseases. Most commonly and routinely employed in labs includes SGOT, serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase, another name serum aspartate transaminase. Normal value 4 to 17 international units per liter. Second one, serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase SGPT. Another name of this same enzyme, serum alanine aminotransferase ALT. Normal level should be 3 to 15 international units per liter. Clinical aspects. As regards as the clinical aspects, ALT is found more in liver rather than SGOT, and SGOT is found more in heart muscles rather than liver. Both of them their help in screening tests for viral hepatitis, as well as their level should be found raised in obstructive jaundice. Serum alkaline phosphatase. Serum alkaline phosphatase found in liver, placenta, bones, and intestine. The normal level should be 3 to 13 King Armstrong units. Ka stands for King Armstrong units. Its level raised in viral hepatitis. Its level should be found raised in post-hepatic jaundice, in primary carcinoma, in metastatic carcinoma of liver, as well as in infiltrative lanes and amyloidosis. In infiltrative lanes or amyloidosis, infiltrate of amyloid, a starch-like substance, in liver, kidney, spleen, and other tissues. Serum enzymes in GI tract diseases. Serum enzyme in gastrointestinal tract includes serum amylase and serum lipase. Number 1. Serum amylase. Normal value of serum amylase up to 80 to 180 Smoky units per 100 ml. Its level raised in acute pancreatitis, where the inflammation of pancreas occurs, in mumps, facial swelling, meningoencephalitis, swelling in brain, perforated peptic ulcers with a complete rupture of stomach walls, may lead to a raise in serum amylase as well as intestinal obstruction. Number 2. Serum lipase. Another enzyme, serum enzymes, which should be raised in gastrointestinal diseases. Serum lipase. Lipases, we already learned that lipases they involved in lipids degradation, lipids की hydrolysis में lipases का बहुत अहम रोल है. Even either the lipases found in saliva, lingual lipases, lipases found in gastric juice, gastric lipases found in pancreas, pancreatic lipases found in adipose tissues, adipolipases, serum lipases, hormone sensitive lipases. All these lipases they involve to degrade lipids contents. Normal value 0.06 to 1.02 ml of 0.05 normal sodium hydroxide by calorimetric assay, 0.9 to 20 ml, 20 milli international units. The level of serum amylase raised in acute pancreatitis, raised in perforated duodenal and peptic ulcers, as well as in intestinal insufficiencies and intestinal obstruction. Serum enzymes in muscle diseases. In muscle diseases, enzymes that raise includes serum glutamate oxalate transaminase, serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase. Both these transaminases they also associated with muscle diseases as well as aldolase. Aldolase, the enzyme of choice in investigation of diseases of muscles, that is more sensitive than SGOT and SGPT. Aldolase is the enzyme of choice for investigation of muscle diseases more than SGOT and SGPT, as well as keratin phosphokinase. We already learned about the keratin phosphokinase and the characterization and the clinical significance associated with SGOT and SGPT. Here we're going to discuss in details about aldolase. That is the choice enzyme of choice in investigation of muscle diseases. Aldolase, increased concentration of aldolase found in liver, skeletal muscles. It's also found in brain and neoplastic tissues. Aldolase catalyzes the interconversion of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into two trioses. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate phosphates converted into trioses by the help of aldolase enzyme into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Normal value up to 2 to 6 milli international units. Aldolase found in neurogenic muscular weakness, in poliomyelitis, in peripheral neuritis, moderately increase in dermatomyositis, as well as in muscular dystrophies, and also raised in viral hepatitis and acute myocardial infarction. Again, I repeated, neurogenic raised level of aldolase seen in neurogenic muscular weakness includes a poliomyelitis, peripheral neuritis, inflammation of neurons, dermatomyositis, muscular dystrophies, as well as in viral hepatitis and acute myocardial infarction. Serum keratin phosphokinase. Serum keratin phosphokinase are also associated with muscle diseases like SGOT and SGPT, as well as aldolase. It's slightly elevated in neurogenic muscular atrophy and muscular dystrophies and in dermatomyositis, as well as in hypothyroidism. Serum enzymes in bone diseases. The only useful enzyme in bone diseases include the serum alkaline phosphatase. Serum alkaline phosphatase it involved to remove the phosphate group from organocortical monophosphomonoester compounds in the body. Clinical aspects: level of alkaline phosphatase is raised in rickets. It's also seen in osteomalacia, in hyperparathyroidism, particularly in Paget's disease. In Paget's disease, the bones they become longer and thin and become easily destroyed or fractured. Level of alkaline phosphatase is also seen in primary and secondary malignancies of bones like osteosarcoma, as well as the level of alkaline phosphatase is also associated with hypophosphatemia, in which the phosphate level in serum becomes low. Now this slide shows the values of certain enzymes in malignancies. Number 1, enzyme acid and their associated diseases. Number 1, serum acid phosphatase is associated with prostatic cancer. Serum alkaline phosphatase associated with metastasis in liver, osteoblastic metastasis in bones, and the jaundice due to a carcinoma of pancreas, all are associated with serum alkaline phosphatase. Number 3. Serum LDH and aldolase. Serum LDH and aldolase they are associated with advanced leukemias as well as wide separate malignancies. Number 4. Beta glucuronidase. Both the level raised in serum and urine. Beta glucuronidase they are associated with the cancer of urinary bladder and cancer of pancreas. Number 5. LDH in effusion fluids. LDH in effusion fluids that should be associated with the local malignancies. Number 6. LAP. LAP stands for the leucine aminopeptidase. LAP stands for leucine aminopeptidase. This enzyme, leucine aminopeptidase, is involved in protein and amino acid metabolisms that associated with the liver carcinoma, primary and secondary hepatoma, and that should be superimposed on liver cirrhosis. Now some therapeutic uses of certain enzymes. Enzymes should be useful. Here this table represents the enzymes, their mode of action and the indication, the treatment the, of relevant disorders or diseases. Enzymes used systematically includes streptokinase. Streptokinase increase the amount of proteolytic enzymes plasmin. Increase here the increased amount of proteolytic enzyme plasmin by either circulating level of plasminogen. Increase here we seen the increased conversion of plasminogen to plasmin. It's used in acute myocardial infarction, acute thrombosis of artery. During acute myocardial infarction, the injection of streptokinase is given just to eradicate the risk factors of acute myocardial infarction. Urokinase. Urokinase, the mode of action, increased conversion of plasminogen to plasmin. It's used for the treatment of pulmonary embolism. L-asparaginase. L-asparaginase this enzyme, certain tumor cells require asparagine for their growth. Asparagine amino acid for their growth. Asparaginase hydrolyzes asparagine that results the growth of tumor cells they suffered and did not properly grow. They become retarded. Asparaginase used for the treatment of acute leukemias and in malignant lymphomas. Asparaginase used in the treatment of acute and advanced leukemias and in malignant lymphomas. Next, digestive enzymes like amylase, lipase, and proteases. Amylase, lipase, and proteases they replace the therapy in pancreatic insufficiency. They are useful in the treatment of cystic fibrosis, chronic pancreatitis, and that fall also associated with pancreectomy, the removal of pancreas surgically. Then alpha chymotrypsin. Alpha chymotrypsin have a mucolytic and proteolytic activity. They are used in the management of inflammatory edema that occurs due to a injury and post-surgical infections as well as in during dental procedures. डेंटल प्रोसीजर के दौरान या पोस्ट सर्जिकल इन्फेक्शंस के दौरान जो इन्फ्लेमेटरी एडिमा हो जाता है that should be managed by taking the alpha chymotrypsin. Number 5. Steatopeptidase. Steatopeptidase have a fibrinolytic activity and that also increase the bradykinin activity. They are effective in inflammation after traumatic injury. Traumatic injury में के दौरान inflammation के जो हो जाती है, so this steatopeptidase is more effective in inflammation to reduce the inflammation during or after traumatic injury. Enzyme used locally. Hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase bring about the depolymerization. It causes the depolymerization of ground substances and helps in absorption of fluids. ग्राउंड सब्सटेंसेस की डीपोलिमराइजेशन करवा के उसमें फ्लूइड्स की एब्जॉर्प्शन को प्रमोट करना. इट प्रमोट्स द डिफ्यूजन ऑफ फ्लूइड्स स्पेशली इन osteoarthritis. Recommended books Chatterjee page number 642 to 644 as well as therapeutic uses of enzymes page number 132 8th edition. Assignment: give the diagnostic importance of plasma enzyme to differentiate different types of jaundice. B. Give the clinical significance of the following enzymes: aminotransferases, acid phosphatase, alpha amylase, and aldolase.